I think right now we're going to see $1,700. We tested support around the 1,600 level. We're breaking through 1,650 on gold today. We're breaking through $32 after the gap down after the Operation Twist. So there's definitely some upside momentum to take us to some to challenge some previous levels for gold around 1,750 and for silver around $40.
Now, it does seem, though, that gold is moving in tandem with stocks, which is a pretty bizarre correlation, if you will. From the way I understand it, is that the higher stocks go, traders have less need to, in essence, liquidate gold. Is that what you see going on here, or is there something else?
Yeah, well, I think what happened in the general market is that people have had to raise cash to cover some of their margin calls. So they're going to sell some of their gold and silver positions that have been very strong over the past year, and to cover some of those margin calls. But the fundamentals are still very strong for precious metals. The leaders of France and Germany have committed to recapitalize the banks, and they're going to do everything necessary in both Europe and the U.S. To prevent this sort of downward spiral.
So what kind of reaction do you think gold's having from that, quote-unquote plan to recapitalize European banks? Is higher gold prices on that saying we're going to see more money printing out of the ECB?
Yes, that's what I think is going on. That's why we're going to see the market up today. We're going to see the S&P rally. We're seeing also gold and silver rallying on the news that there's going to be more printing, that we're not going to go into this sort of deflationary spiral like we saw in 2008.
So then how would you be playing gold here at this level? If we see we're going to go to 1750 and really break through, do you want to kind of get long here?
Yeah, I think that even last week I was writing to my readers that it was a time that gold, which had a caffeinated run up to the $1,900 area, needed a healthy pullback. It was a time to begin, as gold returned to oversold conditions and return to long-term support levels, that investors begin getting back into the gold trade.
All right, thanks, Jeb. I appreciate it. So might be time to go long gold. We could break through that $1,700 level. Less need to liquidate and less deflationary worries. Thanks so much.